Whoa. Here he comes. Down the street. He gets the funniest looks from everyone he meets. And if you know what that is, leave it in the comments. It'll be fun for Jake to not understand what that means.
I love this car. And look, I don't have a roof.
Hey,
That guy likes it. He said it was dope.
of course it's dope.
Are you ready to take it back?
Let's take this dope car back.
Let's do it.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. It's Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1963 Corvette. It's a convertible. It is Riverside red. It's got a 327 300 horse, 4-speed Muncie transmission, 336 rear gears with the great posi-traction. It's got red vinyl interior. This is the car that Prince was singing about, a little red Corvette.
Yes.
It's a C2, and it's our favorite kind of bat, isn't it?
I know.
Great,
I love
powerful
a
Jake.
C2.
It's our favorite. Should we, take the top down?
We should, but let's open the hood first and see what's under there.
Let's open the hood, by Jiminy.
I want to see the 327.
Oh, he does he?
It's a beautiful car. A red
God, it's
Corvette
gorgeous.
is the best kind of Corvette.
Now, it's got a red hardtop that comes with it, and it's got this beautiful white vinyl top that's new.
Look at that engine.
Pretty engine.
Was it 300 horse, you said?
Oh yeah, 300 horse.
327, 300 horse, 4-speed manual, of course. 336 gears, posi-traction, Riverside red. I don't know if maybe it was born by the river.
It could have been.
Could have been. But factory 15-inch steel wheels with Corvette hubcaps and Radial tires.
Oh.
AM radio as well.
Nice.
But yeah, let's put the top down. It's pretty easy to do.
It is.
So we'll get into that right now. There's 2 latches in the front. Chris will start with those.
Can you get yours?
Yeah, I'll get mine. Pull it down, not to the side. There you go. And then in the back, Chris is going to get those as well. You reach in and press that little button. It'll pop the back up, and I'll reach in and get mine.
Can you?
Yep.
Oh, it takes a steady hand.
Got it. And then Chris is going to lift up the back, like so. And then after you lift up the back, it's in the middle. There's a latch you got to pull. There you go.
Woo!
And then also, before we put the top down,
look at
all
that space.
A lot of space back there.
And by God, we need space.
Yeah, so when your top is up, you have plenty of space to put things and stuff.
Things and stuff.
Yeah, we put the back of it down first, fold that in there, give it a good push, make sure it's down, and then give that a little slam. Very nice. I got my side.
Nice.
And Bob's your uncle, it's down. Manual top, pretty easy to do. Chris made it look harder than it is.
I did.
But he just couldn't remember where the latches were, but that's fine.
You can never find them.
Are you ready to start this thing and drive it? I'm ready to hear it.
Cannot wait.
Let's do it.
Let us go. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, very nice. Put the headlights up. This thing runs smooth.
It does, doesn't it? Starts nice.
Starts nice, runs smooth.
Look what we have that I'm setting right now for Central Standard Time.
Oh, he's adjusting the clock. That does work.
I love it, a working clock, so if it's gonna work, let's let it work right.
Isn't it lovely?
Isn't it lovely?
Isn't she lovely?
Well, I guess I could call her she.
What's the song? Isn't she lovely?
I could just adjust it to this thing. All right, there we go, 305.
Very nice.
All right, are you ready?
I am ready, Freddy.
Let's do it, man.
I'm always ready for a C2. Some of my favorite cars to drive. Sorry, I'm taking my gimbal slightly apart so I have more room.
He needs room, people.
I do need room. We do have FM.
Why is that saying AM only?
I don't know, but the little dial down here on the radio flips between AM and FM, which is cool, and you have some switches above that with the clock, like Chris was just setting. And then way down there is your shifter and your ashtray. It shifts real nice and easy, and there's your ashtray. You can open it up, close it up. Very nice, and you also have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Hey, look, it's dirty. He works for us in that old beat up Saturn. He's one of our service technicians. He just waved hi. Oh, there he goes. What a guy.
He needs to get to work.
He's got to get to work. He was probably on lunch.
And I didn't want to make him late.
Yep, and here we go. Get out in front of this box truck so we don't get held up.
Heavens, no.
Oh, wow, listen to it. This thing's smooth.
Oh, wow.
Oh, goodness.
It's silky.
You know, 300 horsepower is plenty.
For 1963 in a car that doesn't weigh anything?
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's a small car, it's a light car. Plenty of
car.
plenty of V8.
Plenty of V8.
Plenty of V8. I love the top down.
It's the only way to do it.
It's 70 degrees today. Literally primo. Not a cloud in the sky. Sunny. 70 degrees. Not really windy.
Oh, wow.
It is lovely in Missouri today.
It is gorgeous.
St. Charles, Missouri, which is where we're located.
15 minutes west
of St. Louis.
That's right. Wow, I love this car.
And I'll put our website on the screen right now. That guy must have liked our car. He honked at it.
Everybody does. They're not honking at the Dodge Ram in front of us. They're a dime a dozen, folks.
Yeah, I know. Let's see, we got some cool gauges. We got temp, oil pressure, a speedo, a tach, a fuel gauge, voltage. It's really all you need. Then you have the headlights over on the left side of the wheel.
Which I showed you.
Oh, a nice horn.
Nice horn.
Big old steering wheel, by the way.
Big steering wheel.
Look at that. Let me see if I can get in here and see these gauges.
Get it.
I love, oh, there it is. I love the C2 Corvette gauge cluster. It's
Especially
one of my
63.
favorites. And yeah, 63 has the bent needles in the gauges because the gauges are dished, they're concave. And so the end of the needle for everything is bent at the end so it can follow the dash.
Bent Needle's the sound of a very good band. It's a name of a good band if you had a band name. You needed
Yeah,
Bent
there you
Needles.
go. Bent Needles. Name your band Bent Needles. But no, I love the gauges in this. Nice horn. Chris loves the horn. Can't stop honking it. It's got nice visors that don't droop.
He hates droopy visors,
even when they're
people.
above the windshield getting hit by the wind, they still don't fold backwards.
Isn't it nice?
You gotta love that. Everything's nice and tight. And well done in this car. There's a C6 Corvette.
Oh, C6, those are nice too.
That
I
one's
like
probably
C2s.
faster, but not as stylish.
Exactly.
This
There's
is
nothing
stylish.
like this.
We got vinyl bucket seats that are red. We have a dash that's red. We have a console here that's red. Everything else is chrome.
Steering wheel.
A little bit of black
Red.
on the dash. Yeah, red and chrome on the wheel.
Love it.
All the latches for the top and stuff, chrome.
We have a red hardtop that goes with it.
Yes,
So
yes,
says
we
the
do.
ad.
And if you want to see pictures of that, go on our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all the pictures for this there, including the underbody of the car, in case you're curious about it. But the cool thing about Corvettes, they don't rust, because they're not made of metal.
That's right. Fiberglass, people.
Who was that guy?
I don't know. He's just waving at us, so I waved back.
He gave us a peace sign. I thought you knew him.
Well, I like him.
He must just like our car.
I like people.
Yes.
I'm in the people person.
I also
business.
like people. I like
Good.
people that like Corvettes.
Very
And
nice.
Chris likes horns.
Love it.
He's.
Don't say it. You almost said it.
I almost said it.
Wow.
I'm not
That
going to say
definitely
it.
got us a rated R version.
You can read into that one at home.
Please don't do it.
What do you think Chris is if he really likes horns?
Don't. I'm actually an older guy, so I'm pretty happy playing the way I'm at. Let's leave it alone. Let's leave this alone. Jake.
We're almost at our bean test.
The worst Jake's ever spoken in his life.
Hey, I didn't say anything.
Trust me, Jake's a very nice guy and a snappy dresser.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's our bean test. I want
Beans.
to feel the 327 beans. Oh, goodness. First gear action. Second gear. Oh, wow.
Put
Third
a smile
gear.
on your face.
Yeah, it does. Oh, my goodness. Wow, he's
Probably
getting
should
it.
slow down just a wee bit.
Probably. The speed limit's 35, and that's what we were doing.
Yeah.
Not 90.
It was an exciting 35.
Yeah.
Exuberant even.
Sure.
I proved that word.
It's a good word. Is that your word?
Oh, hey, can we? No, I guess we better not do all that word.
Let's go to Coke.
It'll make it dusty.
Ah. Is it your word of the day, exuberant?
I love that word.
We
I
were
can't
going so
believe it.
fast, I had stuff flying in my mouth.
You know, it's fun.
Just kidding, it was just a hair.
He's got a hair. A wild one. Here
I
we
cut
are.
him, though. I just had my hair cut.
He did. He got them all cut by God.
I did get them all cut.
Quite a dad joke that just happened right there.
Yes.
Wow. All
You
right.
ready to do some flybys?
I say we do it.
So I'm ready to hear what this thing sounds like from the outside.
From the outside. Let's do it, man.
Let's do
Let
it.
me pop out of this bad boy. Oh, sounds great. Look at her go. It's just perfect. Whoa. There's nothing like an old muscle car, but there's really nothing like an old Corvette. 63 red Corvette, 4-speed. Can't beat it with a stick. Here he comes. Down the street. He gets the funniest looks from everyone he meets. And if you know what that is, leave it in the comments. It'll be fun for Jake to not understand what that means. God, that sounds great. Nothing like the sound of a small block. Oh, hi!
I tell you what, Chris.
Tell me what, Jake?
I don't think there's many better driving cars from the 60s.
No.
I think this is kind of the pinnacle. They just drive so nice. And you don't need 500 horsepower like you get in the 426 Hemi to go fast.
100%
It
right.
weighs nothing. 300 horsepower feels like twice that in this
It's
car.
beautiful.
In the shifting, it's so awesome. You get that nice haptic feedback click when you get it into gear.
I love the click in a
And I
Muncie.
mean, the clutch in this is weighted perfectly. I love this car. And look, I don't have a roof.
Hey,
That guy likes it. He said it was dope.
of course it's dope.
Are you ready to take it back?
Let's take this dope car back.
Let's do it.